How to fix Samsung A16 camera not focusing. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then scroll down and now click on camera. After clicking on camera, you can see the option force stop. Now first of all, force stop your camera, then click on OK and now scroll down in last and on top you can see the option camera settings. Now click on camera settings and then scroll down in last and here you can see the option reset settings. Now click on reset settings. After clicking on reset, it will reset your camera settings. After that, it will fix your problem. Thanks for watching this video.